Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to deposit money or crypto into KuCoin using Binance. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to KuCoin, and then you want to go over to assets and click on main account, because over on this page you can deposit and withdraw. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, where you need to go over to the deposit button. Now you want to go over to the search bar, click on it and search for the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit onto your KuCoin account from Binance. For me this currency will be RSR, then you need to click on it, and you'll then have to select the account you would like to deposit into. This can be your main account, trading account, or if you're planning on margin trading, your margin account. Once you have selected the currency and the account, you'll see all the chains available for your transfer. Now on KuCoin, using RSR, the only chain available is the ARC20. But if there's multiple chains available, please don't select one as of right now, because the next thing you need to do is to go over to Binance, click on Wallet and click on Find and Spot. And once you're on your Find and Spot page, you can then go ahead and click on the Withdrawal button. You'll then need to go over to Select Coin and click on the coin selector. Now you want to go over to the search bar and search for the cryptocurrency you have selected on KuCoin. Please be aware that if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I've got selected RSR, on KuCoin and on Binance, I can go ahead. Now once you have double checked if you have selected the same cryptocurrency on both of the exchanges, you can then click on the network right here. You'll then see once again all the chains that are available, and on Binance the only chain available is the ARC20 as well. So once you have found a network that is available on both Binance and KuCoin, you can then select the network right here and click on the click to copy button. And once your address is copied, you can then go back over to Binance and paste in your address. You'll now see that my wallet address has automatically been matched to the corresponding network, and you can then go ahead and fill in the amount you would like to transfer. You can also click on Max to select all of your available holdings. And if you would like to withdraw from your funding wallet, make sure to click on Funding Wallet right here. Now once you fill this in, the next thing you need to do is to click on Withdraw. You'll then see the withdrawal pop-up, where I'd recommend you double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. And once you've done that, you can then go ahead and click on Continue. You then need to go through the security verification process. So what you need to do is to click on Get Code and fill in the codes sent to your email, your phone number, or maybe generated in the Google Authenticator. And once you fill in your two-factor authentication codes, the last and final thing you need to do to deposit money into KuCoin using Binance is to click on Submit.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.